Hey guys, PP42's here. This is my Ryobi BP42 leaf blower. It's the backpack model. Last time I had this running was last fall. When I last used it, I ran it till it was empty. That way there's no fuel sitting in the carburetor. The fuel is a mixture of 50-to-1 gas and oil, two-stroke oil. So next step is we're going to fill it up and see if this will run. This is a gas can I already had pre-mixed with Supreme gas in it, and it's mixed at a 50-to-1 ratio. I'll fill it right up. Should have had the proper yellow spout on it, but this will work for now. It's one thing I always run Supreme in my power equipment due to the ethanol in the fuel. A lot of times your power equipment sits for quite a few times and the gas breaks down quite quickly, especially regular. So the next step is you have to make sure it's in the start position, and you got to prime the primer ball. Usually prime it 5 or 6 times. Usually you prime it a little bit more when it hasn't gone for a while because there's no fuel in the carburetor. So let's give her a pull and see what it does. I apologize for the shaky camera. I gotta get myself a tripod. Now it is quite warm out, so I'm gonna put it in the run position and see if that the choke's not required. This red button here is a kill switch. When you're using the leaf blower, if you're giving it some fuel and pull that down, it acts similar to like a cruise control. It actually locks the throttle, and to turn it off and just push it back up. So overall, for sitting since last fall, this started excellent. The choke was not required today because of the warm temperatures. So I certainly recommend these. These are great for blowing leaves or cleaning the debris along your sidewalks on the street. Anyways guys, just a little cold start on the leaf blower since last year. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If not, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel, and remember to hit that notification button. Thanks guys, take care and have an excellent weekend.